I'm Rachel.
And I'm Jean, and
welcome to Let Us Bake Sleepover! We're wearing our pajamas today because it's our sleepover edition.
We are making a s'more cake.
Ooh, I love s'mores.
Right? That's for the cake. Now this summertime dessert takes 24 hours, so it's super important that you make it well in advance. So here's what you will need to make our delicious summertime s'more cake. 1 box of graham crackers.
6 egg whites.
1.5 cups of granulated sugar.
1/2 teaspoon of cream of tartar.
1 teaspoon of vanilla.
And our chocolate fudge, which you can find on Bits and Uncle Bob's.
If you can't make that, any chocolate spread will do. First step, you're going to fill a heavy pot 1/4 of the way full with water and set it on the stove.
Kids, this is a good time to check in with your grown-up.
Rachel?
While that's coming to a simmer, line your loaf pan with parchment.
Make sure the parchment paper hangs over the edges. That will help you take your cake out when it's all done.
Dip,
Dip, dip, dip, dip, dip, dip, dip, dip. Next, you're gonna take a stainless steel bowl, and to it we're gonna add our egg whites, our sugar, and our cream of tartar. Rachel! Get it out of here! Save it for the cake!
Bring this to the stove and place on top of the pot that's been simmering. Stir for about 4 minutes until the sugar dissolves.
So I've taken our warm egg white mixture off of the stove. Careful to use my oven mitts because the bowl is a little hot. Now we're going to pour this into the bowl of our stand mixer. And we're going to whisk until stiff peaks form, about 7 minutes.
Once you have stiff peaks, it's time to stir in your vanilla. What's with the harmonica?
I'm the s'more police, and I couldn't find a whistle.
Once you finish mixing the vanilla, set aside 1 cup of the meringue. That is going to be for the top of the cake.
So now it's time to assemble our cake. You're going to start with a layer of graham cracker,
A layer of meringue,
a layer of chocolate fudge,
and then a layer of graham cracker.
and repeat 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 until it's all full up.
Now we're going to cover our cake with plastic, set it and the reserved meringue in the fridge for 24 hours.
Sleepover!
Yeah!
See you in 24 hours.
How'd you sleep?
Somebody snored all night long.
Wonder who that was.
Now that our cake is out of the fridge, it's time to decorate.
We re-whipped that reserved meringue so it's nice and fluffy. And now we're just gonna slather it all over the cake. To create an extra little bit of texture, use your spatula and gently pat down the top of your cake. Now kids, here's the most important thing. If you happen to have a kitchen torch, call in your grown-up and ask them to lightly torch the top of your cake.
Be very careful.
This job should only be reserved for a grown-up. That's our s'more cake.
What a sleepover.
Well, Rachie, was that worth the wait?
For this cake, absolutely. See you guys next week.
Hi, I'm Jean. Hi. Hi. Goodbye.